Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalie. Today I'm going to make pizza for the kids. So I have warm water here and I'll add my sugar and my yeast. All the ingredients will be linked on my description box below. And I'll cover it up. For a few minutes, then we start. My yeast is good, so let's begin. I have salt here. I'll put it aside and cover it. And I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil make the pizza fluffy and crunchy somehow. Okay. And the water and the yeast will go. My dough is ready. So now I have to put oil in the tray so I can put the dough and cover it to rise. And I'll start the tomato sauce. Just tuck it in like this because the mixer did all the kneading and everything. I don't need to knead again. And wait for the dough to double or triple the size, and we start. See you when I'm doing the stew. I have in the pot tomatoes. Is the tomato blended one already, and I'll add a little bit of oil I like my tomato sauce, pizza tomato sauce, little bit with heat, so I put little bit pepper. Grounded anise. Grounded ginger. A bit of salt because the cheese have salt, so you have to be really careful when you are doing it. Bit of tomato paste. And I will mix all up. And cover it up on low heat. He'll do his things there. Then I will arrange my things. Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes to check on it. The tomato is done. It's done, it's ready. Okay. I am prepping my toppings. I have sweet corn and a lot, green pepper, pepperoni, and cheese. Now I'm going to start cutting my green pepper. Please, if you are not used to use a chopping board, because me I'm used to cutting with my hand like this, please use chopping board. My green pepper is chopped already, ready to go, but we have to wait for the dough now. I can't wait. Our dough is ready, triple the size. So I'm going to start making the rolling it. Camera, I'll start by yours. Let me give me the oil. I'm dripping some oil on the mat. Yeah. My problem to have the circle is the problem. Yeah. So, come on, you do the cross. Do you want the cross?
No, yeah.
Oh, come on.
Wait, what's the cross?
The round. Anyway, you don't even eat the cross. You don't like?
No, sometimes I eat it.
Okay. Okay. The sauce. you just want pepperoni.
And cheese.
So we put the cheese first.
I'll put pepperoni.
Okay, open the pepperoni. Come here.
Wait, how do they open it?
Yeah, the same way. Okay, the pepperoni is on top, straight to the oven. Just have to repeat the process until it's done. Yeah, I don't like too much sauce. I don't like pepperoni. Okay, let me have my toppings.
Hindi ko to gravy. Ito kita baba ko pizza. Wala pa nato school.
There you go.
Magana bigno. Kasi kana bigno sa site.
Okay.
Oti de na na do tiba ina kebo. But then must change. We fix them. Kaka use you. BBC and BBC pitch. Yeah. Level. Pagi no fique mozzarella to. Vabbè, Domino's Bologna fica ora che.
Because yeah, okay. So it's not easy.
I cannot repeat what she said. But she was like I want to about. She has been
Oh! The pizza is out. It's your best.
Yeah.
It's really, really light. Very nice. Can I try?
Yes.
Ah.
You have your own one.
The veggie one too is ready.